Hi, I'm Jen from Glia. Thank you for taking a moment to watch this brief presentation on Glia's 3D printing workshop. This presentation will explain our workshop and why it's worth investing in, and at the end of the presentation, I'll tell you how to get in touch in case you have any other questions. The first portion of our workshop is an overall introduction to 3D printing. We answer the 5 questions: what, why, when, where, and how, to give each workshop participant an overview of 3D printing technology and how it's currently changing the landscape of the manufacturing world. The next portion of the workshop is dedicated to practical experience with 3D printing. Every in-person workshop attendee gets hands-on experience with one of our Prusa 3D printers and takes home what they print. In the third portion of the workshop, we talk about Glia's work in creating premium quality medical devices at a fraction of the cost using 3D printing. We also talk about our open source philosophy, where all of our device information lives in an open source repository free and available for anyone in the world to use, modify, and share. There are 3 options for taking our workshops. Costs vary depending on location and group size. There's in-person, on location, and even remote. There are 3 ways to contribute. You can sponsor our 3D printing workshops for grades 6, 7, and 8 in the Thames Valley District School Board. There's a sponsorship package available for that. You can also provide a grant for a pilot workshop in schools or other organizations, and you can also schedule a workshop for yourself as a fun lunch and learn. If you have any questions or would like to get involved with our 3D printing workshops, please visit us online at glia.org. Thanks for watching this presentation.